Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Kali Linux, Kali Purple and Parrot OS. Kali Linux, Kali Purple and Parrot OS are all Linux distributions focused on cybersecurity, but each one has a different purposes and audiences. Kali Linux is the most well-known ethical hacking distribution. It's used by penetration theaters, security professionals and ethical hackers. It comes pre-installed with hundreds of tools for things like password cracking, Wi-Fi testing, vulnerability scanning and more. Kali is lightweight, fast, and focused entirely on offensive security. If your main goal is ethical hacking or red teaming, a tech system to find a weakness, Kali Linux is a solid choice. Kali Purple is a newer version of Kali focused more on defensive security instead of offensive. It's designed for blue team professionals, those who protect networks, monitor systems, and respond to threats. Kali Purple includes for incident response, digital forensics, network monitoring, and threat detection. It's still under active development, but it's great for learning and practicing defensive cybersecurity skills. If you're more interested in defending systems than attacking them, Kali Purple is a better fit. Parrot OS is also built for ethical hacking, but it includes both offensive and defensive tools. It comes with a wider set of features, including tools for forensics, secure programming, and privacy protections. It's more beginner-friendly than Kali and also includes an anonymous mode, sandboxing, and secure communications by default. If you want a more well-rounded experience that covers hacking, forensics, and privacy, Parrot OS is a great option. For overall, Kali Linux is best for offensive security and pen testing. Kali Purple is best for learning and practice defensive security. Parrot OS is best for users who want a mix of offensive tools, privacy, and forensics in one system. Choose based on whether you want to attack, defend, or do a bit of both. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.